Sip on that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fucking wild horse and carrots.
Morning, everyone. Yes, welcome here to another vlog. So yeah, I'm about to get it out because I have a dentist appointment somewhere in Volchi, if I'm not mistaken. Villanov, Ursnov. It's in Ursnov. So yeah, I'm about to head out there, and surprisingly you actually have to pay cash when it comes to dental procedures. I'm not sure why, but they're not actually covered by your medical insurance, which means banger. But I'm so curious because I've never had like a dental procedure done before, and the only thing that I've managed to get was just like the scan, which was done like on me in Zimbabwe, I guess. Then yeah, that was it. So it's going to be an experience, and I'm going to man, just a toy. So yeah, I'm just going to be wearing this crop top, some jeans, tights, and a jacket, of course. And yeah, let's go, go.
Purchase your tracks today.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees.
Hey, so yeah, we just got back from the dentist, and yeah, I thought I was going to have my teeth pulled out, but it ended up being like a diagnosis session. So yeah, we managed to do an X-ray, and some of my teeth actually were cleaned, and they had to put some medicine. So it's actually like heading like F right now. Yeah, I have two more sessions that I actually need to go. Hopefully, maybe they will turn into three. The next one is the other cleaning of the other side, so that plaque don't accumulate more as well. And I'll have the dental surgery after my birthday in April. Like yo, it's actually say Aries season right now. Like I'm still under the medication right now because it had like fuck. But yeah, keep you updated.
Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you're the only one to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was any out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear? Because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good crazy.
Yo, this is how I'm just influenced by TikTok. So I saw Potato Boom on TikTok and it was just trending. So I decided to go and try it myself. I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10, but let's say a 7 out of 10. It was good. It was so chilly. I decided to go with the sweet chili corn. It was okay, but yeah, yeah, I don't recommend. So Mr. Man got some fries as well, and yeah, I started to eat those with him.
Sabi girl no dey too like them. Animals dey in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No come they from say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad and the beat and the. You get the time to do dance like go go. You get the time to do dance like go go. You do dance like dance, you do dance like you do dance like dance like dance like go go like go like go like go like dance like. You no get the time for the hate.
Good morning, everyone. So yeah, we're almost late for work. Today is a beautiful Wednesday. Yeah, so yeah, let me take you to Eric's office. You already know this office because it was in the vlog. And we're going with the guest bag and the tote bag with my laptop. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm already late. Yeah, I really wanted to grab a Starbucks from my way, but I doubt I'll do that because, well, I'm late and I need to clock in on time. That's a bit.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how breathe.
Can I please have caramel frappuccino? Yeah.
Which size?
Lactose free.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Okay. Here to go.
I know you can't help but to be yourself around me, yourself around me. Oh. And I know nobody's perfect, so I'll let you be. I'll let you be. It's the way you weigh your emotions on both of your sleeves. To the face you make when I tell you that I had to leave. Ooh, but I like it, baby. Ooh, I like it, baby. But I like it, baby. I like it, baby. You don't need no words except always be your secret weapon if your husband. I know you like it, but growing up, that's okay. Like you let those feelings.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuss. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip on that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby,